Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top free stock image websites where you can find a vast collection of high-quality visuals for your projects. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or simply need captivating images for your personal use, these websites offer a plethora of options to suit your needs. So, let's get started. Unsplash. Unsplash is a renowned platform that provides access to a vast library of high-resolution, royalty-free images contributed by a community of talented photographers. The website boasts a diverse collection of images, from stunning landscapes to artistic portraits. Unsplash's user-friendly interface and powerful search features make finding the perfect image a breeze. You can explore trending and popular photos, and even follow your favorite photographers to keep up with their latest creations. With its vast selection and exceptional image quality, Unsplash is a go-to resource for creatives seeking visually striking images for various projects. Pexels. Pexels is another excellent resource for free stock images. It offers a diverse collection of photos and videos, all under the Creative Commons Zero Karo license, meaning you can use them for any purpose without attribution. Pexels stands out for its seamless browsing experience, allowing you to filter images by color, orientation, and popularity. You can also explore the photos for commercial use section, which includes images suitable for professional projects and commercial applications. With its broad range of high-quality visuals, Pexels is a top choice for various design and creative projects. Pixabay. Pixabay is a treasure trove of high-quality images, vector graphics, and illustrations, all available for free. The platform's vast library, with over 1.7 million files, Pixabay's advanced search feature enables users to find precisely what they need. Whether it's nature scenes, business-related visuals, or abstract graphics. Additionally, Pixabay offers free stock videos and music, making it a comprehensive platform for all your multimedia needs. The website's easy-to-use interface and abundance of options make it a popular choice among creatives worldwide. Burst by Shopify. Burst is an excellent resource for entrepreneurs and e-commerce businesses. Powered by Shopify, Burst offers a wide range of free stock images specifically tailored for online stores and marketing materials. The website's collections include product shots, lifestyle images, and visually engaging graphics that resonate with e-commerce audiences. Burst's visually appealing and relevant images make it an ideal choice for creating professional quality content for your online business. Whether you're starting an online store or looking to revamp your website, Burst has a wealth of free images to fuel your creativity. Reshot. Reshot is a community-driven platform that curates hand-picked images from emerging photographers. The platform emphasizes authenticity and creativity, making it an ideal choice for projects that demand unique and original visuals. Reshot's curated selection showcases diverse and eye-catching images that stand out from traditional stock photos. The website also offers collections with specific themes, such as technology, business, and lifestyle. Reshot's commitment to showcasing the work of talented artists makes it a top destination for those seeking images with a distinctive flair. StockSnap. StockSnap ISO is a user-friendly website that adds hundreds of high-resolution images on a weekly basis. The platform's extensive and ever-growing library ensures a constant supply of fresh StockSnap IO's search feature allows you to filter images by date, views, and downloads, making it easy to find trending and popular visuals. With its focus on providing high-quality and diverse images, StockSnap IO is a reliable go-to source for creative professionals and content creators. PicJumbo offers a mix of free and premium images, with the free section providing an impressive array of visuals. The website features various categories including technology, food, fashion, and more. PicJumbo's images are captivating and suitable for a wide range of projects, from blog posts to social media graphics. With its intuitive navigation and easy-to-understand licensing terms, PicJumbo provides a seamless experience for users in search of high-quality images. ISO Republic offers free stock images and videos for both personal and commercial use. The platform boasts a diverse collection of high-quality visuals capturing various themes and subjects. Whether you need images for a blog, website, or presentation, ISO Republic has you covered. The website's easy-to-use search feature allows users to find images based on specific keywords or themes, streamlining the process of discovering the perfect visuals for your projects. Kaboompics is the brainchild of photographer Karolina Grabowska, offering a range of stunning, high-resolution images with a focus on lifestyle and interior photography. The platform's images exude warmth and authenticity, making them perfect for creating engaging visual content. Kaboompics also provides a color search feature, allowing users to find images that match their desired color palette. The website's thoughtfully curated collections and visually pleasing images make it a favorite among bloggers, marketers, and designers. Negative Space showcases a wide range of beautiful images across various categories. The platform adds new photos every week, providing a fresh supply of visuals for your projects. Negative Space's images are free to use for both personal and commercial purposes, making it a valuable resource for creative professionals. The website's intuitive search feature allows users to find images by category, color, and copy space, ensuring easy navigation and efficient discovery of relevant visuals. SplitShire offers a diverse collection of free high-resolution images, all captured by photographer Daniel Nanescu. The platform features images covering various themes, including nature, architecture, and lifestyle. The unique aspect of SplitShire is that the photographer Daniel owns the copyright to all the photos, so you won't find these visuals on other stock image platforms. If you're looking for exclusive and captivating images, SplitShire is a fantastic option. Freepik is an excellent resource for free stock images, vectors, icons, and PSD files. The website provides a wide range of visuals suitable for graphic designers, marketers, and content creators. With a vast library of graphics and illustrations, Freepik caters to diverse project requirements. Additionally, Freepik also offers premium resources, allowing users to access even more exclusive visuals for their creative endeavors. Conclusion: there you have it, a comprehensive list of top free stock image websites that offer a treasure trove of high-quality visuals for your projects. Each of these platforms stands out for its unique features, diverse collections, and user-friendly. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, good luck and peace.